I have a wall tile that has come loose, and I want to refit it. I don't want to buy a whole pack of tile adhesive or grout, so I'm going to find a way to fix this tile as cheaply as possible.
Ek gaan 'n plan maak om hierdie deel terug te sit met so min as moontlik kostes.
First, I'll remove all the loose cement. I will leave any cement that's firmly stuck on the tile. Be careful during this step, because trying to remove too much can break the tile.
Om in die poging om hierdie sement af te kry wat hierdie deel breek. Ons wil hom net so bietjie skoon maak.
We just want to clean it enough. There's no need to get it perfectly spotless.
En dit is goed genoeg. Dit is nie nodig om hom silwer skoon te maak nie.
I do not have of the original tile adhesive, therefore I'll use acrylic adhesive. It's very cheap and easy to find.
Orals bekombaar.
Apply it thick enough to cover the old cement that's still on the back of the tile.
Dit behoort genoeg te wees. Dit moet net hoër wees. Ek plaas ook om in posisie.
To hold the tile in place while the adhesive sets, I'll use masking tape. I'll leave it like this for a little while so the adhesive can start to dry. After that, I'll do the grouting. The grout is white, so I'll use a white crack filler or some of the same acrylic adhesive or even plaster of Paris will do.
Wat ek as plaasvervanger gaan gebruik is sommer net 'n bietjie kraakfiller. Jy kan ook van hierdie selfe akrieliek gebruik om daai gleufie op te vul. Maar in hierdie geval gaan ek nou 'n bietjie kraakfiller gebruik.
Since the crack filler is a bit old with lumps in it, I'll press it gently with my finger to remove any lumps.
So ek gaan dit net so 'n bietjie met my hand fyn druk om al die onnodige korreltjies uit te vat.
I use a simple plastic bag with a small hole cut in it to apply the grout neatly. Once the tile is replaced and grouted, I'll wait for everything to dry completely, then clean it up and finish the job.
En breek afgehandel.